Ashanti, chapter 2. Let's rock. Can you take it to the top with me? Just wanna love you, thinking over me, oh baby. Baby, when you're loving me, I can't describe what I want to do to you. When you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Stop for me, oh baby. Stop for me. Take it to the top for me. I just wanna love you, baby. Thinking over me, oh baby. Over me. Just wanna love you,
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good and keeping safe. Welcome back to another video, and you know what time it is. Yeah guys, it is currently past 8 in the evening, and I just checked in right now. I just checked in right now. I'm so tired. It's been a long day. But yeah guys, we are in Cape Town. I'm so excited. I don't even know what to say guys. We are in Cape Town, and I'm just gonna be here for a couple of days. Today it's the 26th of September, and it is Friday. So I just want to quickly take a bath and then go out for dinner, Yeah, we are going out for dinner. And guys, I did my nails. They look so good. You guys know butter yellow is the color, and I didn't want to let it skip me because why not? I had to. But yeah, and also this is my first time doing this hairstyle. I think it suits me and I love it so much. But yeah guys, let me talk to you guys once I'm done getting ready, because it is Friday and the girl needs to be out. So I hope that you guys like this video enough to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already guys. I'm so excited because I've been waiting for this moment. I know that I was here Maloba, and you know what, I love Cape Town. I love Cape Town. Let me show you guys the view. And this apartment, it's so cute and it's very small, but I think it's all that I need, honestly. I really can't complain, and everything is so good. The lighting here is so bad, but yeah guys, let me quickly take a bath, and I will see you guys in a few. Once I'm all glammed up and looking cute. And Labonor, my list is lifting only at this side because the lady who was installing me installed up to my ear. So now this year it's so painful. I kept fixing this part while I was on the plane, and guys, we're still king. Yeah, so enjoy. I will see you guys once I'm done getting ready, and I need to leave in the next 30 minutes. Imagine I just got here. I need to bath, get ready, and then leave. I'm going to Vienna. It's just there. It's a walking distance, so I'll just walk in the morning. But for now, I'm just going to take an Uber. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a few. I am done getting ready. Oh my god, I look so pretty. We are ready to go. So guys, I'm running so late. Let us go now. I'll see you guys when I get at the restaurant.
that
hotel, and I didn't spend so much time outside because I got there around 10:30 and they were closing in like the next 30 minutes. So I only had sushi and a drink. Now I'm back and I just wanna wipe off this beautiful makeup and then rest because girl, I'm so tired from traveling. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't know what's in the itinerary for tomorrow, but there are quite some few stuff that I need to do, so I'll check in with you guys in the morning. Didn't you want us to do pedal, hun? Not pedal, hat again. The water, what? What did I get? Okay. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So, I am currently at V&A and I just want to quickly buy something for the house and then get ready for the day. Let's see where the day takes me. And yeah. Wow. This is nice. This is very nice. Can I have a matcha latte, small one, and a plain croissant? Yes, please.
A short matcha latte
A croissant?
and a croissant plain.
Yes, and also can I add one, and then a cappuccino small as
Chili
well?
chicken crunch toast, please, and then a cappuccino small.
Yes.
White tees, Nikes, gangsters don't know how to act. Atmosphere, weekend, college park, harbor home, cornerstone and home grown, choking on that home. They probably serving cooking, they got them doubts looking, thinking I was easy. I can see it. That's when I say no. Shawty can't handle this error, got that fire like
I just want to get something from Kgoreletso.
we keep it good and you should know.
That shit, I missed the drum. What? Hi guys, I'm finally back in the hotel and I just finished getting ready for lunch. And yeah, I want to go to Cargo Beach and grab something to eat, and I'm having a glass of wine. I don't know if you guys can see it here. Yeah, so let me dress up and I don't know, I'll show you guys my full outfit of the day once I get there, because it's lighting in this room. If I go that side, you guys are not gonna see it properly because it's dark. But yeah, let's go. Let me show you guys my view. Like, it's so stunning. It is stunning, okay? So yeah guys, I'm so tired because earlier when I was walking to V&A in the morning and it's currently 1 o'clock. Let me show you guys. I got few stuff from Kgoreletso. Yeah, we went to Kgoreletso in the morning and I got like t-shirts and yeah, so let me put on my dress and wet this wig and then we can go out for lunch. Today it's Saturday and it's officially my second day in Cape Town. Yeah, so enjoy.
Shanti, chapter 2. Let's rock.
Rock for me, oh baby, rock for me. Can you take it to the top for me? I just wanna love you, baby. Thinking, over me, oh baby. Can you take control for me? I just wanna love you, baby. Thinking, I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh baby, when you're kissing me. Oh baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I wanna do to you tonight. When you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Rock for me, oh baby, rock for me. I just wanna love you, baby. Thinking, over me, oh baby, over me. I just wanna love you, baby.
At Pebble Beach.
Oh baby, I'm so far in, but I don't mind as long as I could have you in my life. Oh baby, I'm satisfied, even if you're not just mine. Can you rock for me? Oh baby, stop for me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, roll for me, over me, control for me. I just wanna love you, always thinking of you, baby. Loving, love, me. I'll make it so.
Hi guys, I'm having wine. And I just finished having my pizza. And the lighting from here is so bad because I'm sitting opposite the light. Yeah. The sun is now setting and we're about to leave this place because like we have been here for so long. Yeah. Hi guys, I haven't been updating you guys for the longest now and yeah, I'm just done with my lunch and I just want to show you guys my outfit of the day. So I'm wearing this dress from my closet and yeah. Let me put you guys. With you between my arms.
Sir, no 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 sir. No Maybach, but I ain't got a chauffeur. I'm in it for the bread, put you in a toaster. Hey, yes sir. Got a little older, was a young flexer. You know that it's a go, cause be my jacket checker. Pop one pill, but it's a double decker. Yes sir.
Good morning guys, how you guys doing? Today it's Sunday and man, I just want to go out for breakfast and then go to the beach later. It is currently 10 o'clock in the morning and yeah, let me show you guys my outfit of the day. So I'm wearing this dress from Zara, also carrying my bag, and I have accessorized with like gold jewelry. Oh my god, like I love gold jewelry so much. But yeah, that is just my look. I'll catch up with you guys on the way. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. I'm so tired and it has been drizzling. Now the sun is out. Oh my god. Now I want to go back to the hotel and probably change and go to the beach. Yeah.
What's up on the time? When I just try, when I just try. When I drop a song, I go need to dance. They work, I could get it, to be my price. Then I find the sound, I'm on the sound. I know get the name, I know sing a sound. Sound, I'm on the sound. I want the precise, I want the precise. For my city gone. You know be run from who you are, man. Waiting go be man is cast in stone. But do below long power sandu. But why they titi no they sham you. I do below long to come here. Kale mansion, kale shika de mayo. Oh you alone. My mama leave me, yeah, you know long. Lost myself and I found my purpose. Yeah, every day I know that I am blessed. So guys, because you love me. Yeah, they can do me. Nothing man no face, vibe to pay. These kind of things in our life.
Hello. Can we have 2 Philly cheese steak? Or like a hot dog?
Yeah, it comes with a hot dog roll. It's a hot dog roll, with lettuce, red cabbage, jalapenos, steak, and cheese, steak.
What about
The hot dog is the buri and the burritos. They are the ones that come on the hot dog. It's just sausages. So the buri one is a spicy and meaty sausage.
Okay.
50 rands and then 55 is the hanabogo.
how much are your fries?
We don't do fries, only chicken dip and sweet cheese.
Okay, no, can I only have 2?
One cent,
Card. Yes.
She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm one. She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a money. I can smoke already so cold in my blood, yeah. I see fast, pretty fading, so I got trouble trusting, yeah. But I let my guard down to you. Said I put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can bring my heart.
Guys, I'm about to get an electric scooter. Yeah, I'm gonna drive to get my hot dog because I'm so hungry. I haven't had anything ever since morning. So yeah. Oh, I'm not supposed to do this on camera. Let's get an electric scooter.
32 got my pants size, cause you try to break it in.
Okay.
No condo, singing, you can't stay.
Hello.
It's been one of those nights, I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had a pop shooter, recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it, yeah. But I let my guard down to you. Said I'll put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time.
It's very small. This is midi. Can I have the video? Pardon? Cash. I'll be back shortly, right? Or do I wait for the receipt? Okay, thank you. Okay. Ooh, let's take the first bite. Because it's a block, I'm not ready to eat.
White tees, Nikes, gangsters don't know how to act. Atmosphere, big head, college park, barber home, cornerstone and homegrown, choking on that homegrown. They probably serving cooking, they got the Dallas looking, thinking I was easy. I can see it. That's when I say no. Shawty can't handle this, ever got that fire like round here we find slow. We keep it good and push it low. Getting crunk up in the club, we get low.
It's now time for me to return the wallet. Yeah,
Take a new whip, make strip into a golden ball. Still slow, slow, wood brick on the wall. Ice skin, big chicks, fellas call me red bone. Close cuts, braids long, gangsters, bottom line. They come, they sell me cooking, they got the best look. Pushing, I was easy, I can see it. That's when I say no. Shout it, can't handle this, ever got that body like.
Get wild, old school coming down in a different color wheel. Picture perfect, you might want to take a flick. Call up Daddy, tell him pop the bottle, cause we got another hit. Wanna go platinum, I'm who you should get. Ludacris on the track, get back, trick switch on the like I'm Texas.
Hi guys, I'm on my way to Standby S8 for wine tasting. So I'll see you when I get there. I don't want to be loud. I'm in the car and I'm running late.
So in South Africa, we don't carry the champagne appellation. Even though we make the wine using the same style, we can bottle the champagne.
Ashanti, chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you take it to the top for me? I just wanna love you. Thinking over me, oh baby. Can you take control for me? I just wanna love you. Thinking I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh baby, when you're kissing me.
Soviet Blanc is an estate blend because we took from different blocks with the different ripening points. 6 months in the center to tank maturation. Very fruity, passion fruit, slightly more lychee, Cape gooseberry, a little bit.
Even if you're not just mine, can you rock for me? Oh, baby, stop for me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, roll for me, over me. Control for me. I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Loving, love, oh, baby. Me. I'll make it so you love me, baby. I'll make it so you loving me. Loving, love, oh, baby. Me. I'll make it so you love me, baby. I'll make it so you love me. Make me wanna say, oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby. If you feel me, let me say,
Hi guys, I'm finally back from wine tasting and oh my god, I feel so tired and I feel so tipsy because I've just been tasting wines after wines, and if this is a sign to book wine tasting then you should do it because I had a ball and I looked so good, child. I'll show you guys. I will set a picture of my dress on the screen just so you guys can see how I was looking. I looked so pretty. Yeah, it looks so pretty. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in a few because I just want to relax and probably go out for dinner. Yeah.
You're moving at 100 k's an hour, cars moving in the opposite direction at 100 k's an hour. The resultant velocity and impact of her is about untouchable.
You literally take me back to
What else? Spark cables, jumper cables, and things like that. Don't we use those anymore? I am riding with all.
Hi guys, good morning. Today it's the 30th of September and I'm at the airport. I'm just about to board in the next 10 minutes and I thought I should just end this video nicely and properly. And guys, I'm having like an allergy reaction. I don't know what's happening to my skin, honestly. Like, I don't know, it's not really doing good. But anyway, that's just besides the point. I just wanted to come here and, end the vlog properly. I hope you guys have enjoyed the pieces that I have put together for you guys. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, share it, and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'm flying to Joburg. I'm just gonna spend like a day or two there and then I can head back home. So yeah guys, bye.